Everybody's decided it's time to renovate the bathroom. Well, this is a nightmare. John did some, I did some. Even with the bad leg. I got the, what would you call them? The baseboard tiles off. Leaving what's under there. This does not move. You can hit it all you want and smack it and scrape it. Not moving. This doesn't move it. Nightmare. Ugliest tile ever. But that's pretty. And now we'll remove the toilet. Because it's Valentine's Day. That's so loving and appropriate. Got the toilet out. Got the tiles out from around it. Left a bit of blood on a few things. Yeah. Valentine's Day 2021. A beautiful thing. Yes, that is blood. Taking a little break. Knee pads and a knee brace. What a hero. All right, I'm taking a break here, having a stop because of the old leg, you know. I took my trusty hammer and I went at it like a demon. And I virtually pounded the snot out of this floor. I mean, look, looks like bears have been chewing on it. I just hammered it and chipped it. Like I was Andy Dufresne trying to get out of Shawshank. Took him 20 years. Yeah. So that's where we're at so far. I did not get to the outer corners. So after clearing the floor as best we could, I mean, it's pretty darn level. We are adding a little thin sheet, a 1/4 inch plywood to reinforce this floor, stiffen it, because it was a bit, you know, wonky right there. Stiffening it, reinforcing it, making it smooth. And yeah, moving forward slowly. Plywood's down, attached to the other, so that'll give us a firmer base. One step more forward in the bathroom project. Anyone up for a reveal? Temporary, partway along the way reveal. Oh, there we go. We're not going to worry about this color, but ooh, look at this distressed floor. Popped down in a matter of minutes. Ooh. Finally, I can say that the floor is finished. From the transition strip to the baseboards. They are filled and they are caulked and touched up and the floor is in. This teeny tiny project. Such a different floor, but I like it. Goes with that rustic farmhouse feel.